Government for the first time says that we have brought a plan that takes care of everybody's interest. They are rather saying that the aggregator will take a very, very minimal cut because of the volume of business in Goa.
Okay.
They are also saying we are protecting the income of taxi drivers. At the same time, they are saying that we are giving ease of movement to the consumer.
Correct.
So where will this go? Because for the first time, it looks like the government is very clear on one side,
Yeah.
and the taxi operators are trying to create a vote bank pressure.
Pramod, there are two sides to it. One is it is very good for the traveler, for the tourist, for the resident Goan also, whenever he is traveling, because there are options which will come at hand. Tuka Ola, Uber, and all other aggregators may now come to Goa, and the traveler will have it. He will be empowered to just choose whatever he wants based on the fares, based on his convenience. That is one side of it. The second side, the rules are very nice for people who are actually thinking of insecurities and other, like our traditional taxi owners, taxi operators. त्यांका मातसो एक insecurity आहा की that they may fall out of the system because जे आता the way they are, this is completely unorganized, no? The way it has been happening. So त्यांका ते to come in the system and to be regulated to such an extent that each and every rupee is counted, each and every kilometer is counted. So तांकां मातसो एक हें जाता. So somewhere, as Michael Lobo has said, that somewhere they have to come on the table, they have to agree to all these changes, which is because in the larger interest of Goa, they are required. Pramod. They are required. You can't have an unorganized taxi system because everywhere outside Goa, the talk is that transport is in complete chaos in Goa, and that is hurting us. That is hurting us. We have to understand that somewhere going forward, we have to streamline the transport system, and this is a very good way where the government has taken an initiative to open up the aggregator system. So, Tidun Bidar, if the taxi owners want to have their own app system, and that also option is available to them. If they want to join somebody, that also is available. I mean, what is that? What is holding them back? I mean, that is a very critical question, and all of us know what's holding them back. If the government can sort somewhere maybe get in more kind of concessions to them, or maybe some kind of this thing, but the way forward is the app-based taxi
अशी
system.
गजाल आसूकच शकना की आम्ही सदांच अनऑर्गनायज रावतले. आम्ही एक अनऑर्गनायज सिस्टम घाल्या, ती सिस्टमच आम्ही फॉलो करत रावतले. तुम्ही कितले रेग्युलेशन हाडपाचो प्रयत्न करात, आम्ही त्या रेग्युलेशना भितर येवचेच ना.
Correct.
आणि ताजे खातीर एक वोट बँक प्रेशर तयार करप.
Correct.
You don't find this sensible?
Yes, vote bank तयार करप, that has been happening, Pramod, over the last so many years. These vote banks, not only the taxi vote bank, there are so many other vote banks also. So politicians will hang on to those vote banks. Otherwise, the moment you are, fighting them, you are losing them.
Yeah.
It's as simple as that. So how do you walk the middle path? How do you walk the middle path? Also, now these traditional taxi owners have been running this business for years, almost 40, 50 years.
Yeah,